Okay, very good. So let's get started. Let's start with Abir's question on Wipro. It was Wipro, right, Abir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So before that, can I ask some other question?
Go ahead.
Sir, I had traded in ITC and GALE as per my understanding.
Hmm,
So if you can just check GALE,
hmm,
because GALE had a volume breakout yesterday, and I actually traded in cash as well as options. So
hmm,
cash I got my target today itself.
hmm.
Options I am waiting. So if
Okay.
you can just check GALE.
Okay. Wipro and Gale, right?
No, sir, GALE.
Wip
Wipro is a separate. Yeah.
okay. Wipro,
We
Gale,
can
and
discuss later, I
ITC.
guess. So,
Okay.
GALE,
So let's
yeah,
see Gale then. Okay. Gale.
yeah.
So okay, Gale May month significant level 45, 49, 50, 60, 66, 123, 123. So this seems to be the one. 31st. Okay. So 327, 298, 75. Okay, in the month of June, 72, 75. So it is 348.8, 320.65. Okay, so let's see. Three hundred 48.8 apply and 298 298.75 apply. Okay, so 348, this is the level, and this was anyways in May. So when July opened, it was inside, then there was a breakout. Okay, let's see. So ideally 120.35. So this was the day when it closed outside this particular range for the first time. Okay, whether break a volume breakout or no breakout, but it closed outside this level on 10th of July. Okay, so 10th of July, this level is 350. July. Okay, so let's see, where did it close? It closed here. So this high is 365.80. So 370 is what we will start with. 370. Okay, just give me 1 second. All right, so 370 is the level, and this happened on 10th of July. तो 10th of July से ले लेते हैं, या 9th से ले लेते हैं, 27th. Okay, so 10th of July 165, 370 का जो लेवल है, that is 370 level is 165. Okay, anyways, from this level only it is evident. Do you see there was no breakout? Okay, so if there was no breakout, you can see this level was never broken out, so the trade doesn't happen. Okay, now let's see. So after that the price started coming down and all that. Okay, now let's see. On the cash market data in July, June was 73 lakhs roughly. So July, this is where it broke out, correct? On 26th of July. Okay, so what you'll have to see basically is, Abir, when this broke out, okay, after this breakout has happened, this level is 372.25. This should close above this. Okay, so it has closed today. You can see that the last price is much higher than 372.25. $372.25. So this area. Okay. Now today it has closed outside. Okay, still the month is running. So what we will see is that where did it go? So it is 379.8, so 380 levels. So let's start with 380 levels, and this time it will be August. So 380, wait, so 380, if we look at it, what is the high today? The high is 1380, and it has closed above this level. Okay, so see, one, it has to break out 13.8 on Monday, this level. Okay, 13.8 should be broken. Point number one. Point number two is, if 13.8 is broken on the upside, say for example, on Monday the opening happens above 13.8. Say it opens at 14 and it swiftly runs towards 12. Then the price of this call should stop at 12. That should become a support level. So that is point number two. Okay. Point number three is, I will write Gale here, and I'll go to options chain, because since it has happened today only, so I'll go to options chain. It will be much easier for me to spot. So we have to be on the call side. So let me see where is the biggest buildup that has happened. The biggest buildup seems to be at 400 level. Okay. So there are three levels in between: 380, 390 and 400. Okay, so this will be the level to trade, 400 level, because the highest build up, the highest liquidity is here. Is this clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's look at.
Yes, but the breakout happened yesterday itself.
Where did the breakout happen?
हेलो
हाँ जी, बोलो.
सर, मैं ये कह रहा था कि जैसे 13.80 का लेवल, ये अगर मंडे मतलब कंपलसरी नेक्स्ट डे को ब्रेक करना जरूरी थोड़ी, ये हो सकता है कि फ्राइडे को ब्रेक
परसों
करे
भी
या
कर सकता
थर्सडे
है. हाँ, परसों भी कर सकता है, तरसों भी कर
तो
सकता
हमें फिर उस, तो जैसे मान लीजिए कि सर मंडे को ना करके ये अगले थर्सडे को करता है, तो फिर हम उस दिन देखेंगे कि लॉन्ग सबसे ज्यादा लिक्विडिटी किस स्ट्राइक
है. हाँ
प्राइस के ऊपर बनी है, यही
हाँ,
बात है ना?
बस आपको ध्यान ये रखना है कि अगर इस ट्रेड में एंट्री बननी है तो ये ट्यूसडे तक बन जाएगी, क्योंकि उसके बाद मंथ चेंज हो जाएगा.
ओके ओके.
लेकिन सर इसमें कल ब्रेकआउट इसमें कल हो गया था, तो हम एंट्री आज नहीं ले सकते थे कल के हाई प्राइस के ऊपर?
नहीं, कल
Yes, sir.
ये देखिए
That
यहाँ.
was my question
हाँ,
because
देखो यहाँ पे
I could
ये
have entered today.
हाँ, देखो यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट हुआ है, आप एंट्री ले सकते हो, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट वाज द हाई हियर? लेट्स सी. यस्टरडे कौन से लेवल पे सबसे ज्यादा लिक्विडिटी था? विच लेवल आर यू ट्रेडिंग?
I traded 400 only because it had liquidity and today also it had the highest.
So you traded 400. No, there is no problem. Don't worry. See,
Yeah, so it had a high of 560 which was broken today. So I entered there.
see, it is 580, no, over here high.
Yeah,
Okay,
580 was broken. I entered.
right. So 580 was broken. You have entered. Okay, you are already sitting at last trading price of 625. So which is lot higher than this. Okay, so that is fine. There is no problem, because even if tomorrow, okay, tomorrow means on Monday, right? I'll tell you the reason why I'm saying I would have let today's trading day happen, because see, it's a volume breakout. Okay, when the volume breakout happens, I do not know actually that the price will close above this. I actually don't know, though there were indications. If I look at this, there was a BTST which has happened. See, indications थे
Volume,
कल.
delivery volume, both broke out.
हाँ, so इंडिकेशंस तो कल ही थे. यहाँ पे देखो ये बीटीएसटी हुआ पड़ा था इसमें कि ये मोस्ट लाइकली तो ऊपर ब्रेक करेगा ही, पर फिर भी आई एम जस्ट सेइंग हो सकता है कि ब्रेक ना करे. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये हो भी तो अपने इस लेवल के ऊपर रहा है. ठीक है, तो कोई इशू नहीं है. द वे यू हैव एंटर्ड डजंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. ओके, नाउ सिर्फ मंडे को एक चीज ध्यान रखना मॉर्निंग में. ठीक है, मॉर्निंग में होना क्या चाहिए कि ये जो 400 वाला लेवल है ना, और ये जो 645 आप देख रहे हो, ओके, एंड दिस इज 4501, दिस 450 शुड नॉट बी कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड. ठीक है, एनीवेज 580 लेवल मींस योर स्टॉप लॉस इज रफली 3 रुपीज, roughly. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
it should not break 450. That is point number one. You just have to keep in mind. Second is, if the market or if Gale has to be really fast, no, then this 400 call will open above 6.45. Okay, if the call value opens above 6.45, then don't worry, it is going to your 12 rupee, right? 12 rupee is your target, correct? So it is going to 12 rupee, because see, there is build up. It is not that it's a minus number here. There is build up which has happened. So I'm expecting it should go up. Trade
और
is
अगर
correct.
सर
हाँ, trade is correct.
6.45.
हाँ,
हेलो,
कही.
तो सर अगर ये 6.45 के ऊपर मान लीजिए मंडे को ओपन नहीं होता है तो फिर ये 4.50 का लो कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं होना चाहिए, इतना ही है ना?
हाँ हाँ, ये कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं होना चाहिए। देखो, ये ओपन हो सकता है नीचे, मतलब ऐसा
जी।
कुछ मतलब जरूरी नहीं है कि 6.45 के ऊपर ही खुलेगा, ठीक है। पर अगर आप वैसे देखो तो अगर ये 6.45 के नीचे खुलता है तो इसको 6.45 को ब्रेक करना चाहिए। अगर दिन के अंत तक जाते जाते आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं ये तो 6.45 के नीचे मतलब ऊपर जा ही नहीं रहा, पर अगर वो 4.5 को मेंटेन कर रहा है तो फिर कोई इशू नहीं है। इसका मतलब है कि वो इनसाइड कैंडल बना रहा है, मतलब एक जबरदस्त ब्रेकआउट होगा शायद उसके अगले दिन ट्यूसडे को ऊपर की तरफ,
ओके ओके।
ठीक है। पर अगर ये लोअर लो लोअर हाई लोअर लो बना देता है ना, फिर थोड़ा सा
जी।
मतलब कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाती है सिचुएशन की, मतलब शायद ये अभी थोड़ा सा रीसेट होगा, रीसेट होकर के ऊपर जाएगा, उसके बाद ऊपर जाएगा,
ओके सर।
ठीक है। पर इसके हालात देख करके मुझे लग नहीं रहा है कि इसको मतलब एकदम से नीचे आना चाहिए, बिकॉज पॉइंट नंबर वन इज यू हैव बॉट द लोज, ठीक है। आइडियली अगर देखा जाए तो यू हैव बॉट द लोज। दूसरा है कि आज ये ऊपर क्लोजिंग किया है, सी इट हैज क्लोज्ड above the high. Okay, this was the breakout day, right? See, this is the breakout day. And the very next day, it has actually pushed out all the shorts from this area. So whosoever had sold here and was sitting short, okay, on Thursday, they have been all kicked out. Okay, so it is fine, there's no problem. Okay, technically your trade is correct.
But sir,
Sir,
in case it's
similarly,
breaking 4.5,
हाँ बोलो अभी।
in case it's breaking 4.5 on Monday, so should I exit or should I have my stop losses?
No, but maintain your stop loss.
Okay.
Maintain your stop loss, but if it is going below 4.5, no, and if it is not closing, then exit out. Okay, then it doesn't, maybe it doesn't make any sense. Take that 1 rupee loss and just exit out of it. If you see that, okay, if it hits 4.8, but it closes above that, it doesn't break it, it is closing above that, then it's fine. Hold on for one more day.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but most likely looking at the pattern, it seems that it should break out. And you never know if on Monday it gaps up like ITC did today. You never know.
Yes. ITC also I traded, so yeah, I got my 100%.
You got your 100%, no? So yeah.
Yes.
sir, for ITC, so when should we have taken the entry, right? On
Yesterday.
because the price level was for 550 yesterday, so that we wait for the closing of the price, right? So that
Five rupee 15 paisa was the breakout
was the
level.
indication. Yes.
Okay, and what was the level to trade? The level to trade was ITC was 300. Call of 300. Okay, 300 was the level which had the maximum build up, right? Now this
Yes.
day it happened.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So 30th of August, yeah. So this day it happened, correct? This was the day. Sorry, this was the day when it happened, 5:15. Okay. See, the next day it didn't break out.
Yes.
See, the high is not broken out and it's an inside candle. See,
Yes.
the high is lower, but the low is also higher.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And there is a build up also. The next day, you see it broke out this level.
Right.
Okay. So when it broke out this level, it also broke out 5:15. If you see, it opened here.
Yes.
and it
Yes.
also broke this 515 level. Okay.
Yes.
Now, yesterday, do you see it? The open price is above 515.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So somewhere in between 515 and 480 is the buying price.
Okay.
All right. Because see, there was a break in between. This is an inside candle.
Right.
Okay. So in
Right.
between 515 and 480 could be a buying place. If even if you buy 515, it is not wrong. Okay. Because see, on this day, it is opening above this level. So it is indicating the bullishness. Okay. And it also closed above. So never mind. Like even if it doesn't close, it's okay. And today, see, the opening was almost at your level of 10 rupee 30 paisa or so.
So we need to wait, right? Like I shouldn't have taken entry on 25th, right? Because it crossed 515 on that day, made a high of 525. So I shouldn't place an order before to, in
No, because
advance, right?
see,
Something like that.
here there was a break. I would make,
Okay.
I will make an entry in 515 on this day.
Okay. Okay. So because of break, we didn't do.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
But see, look at the behavior. If this day it would have broken 2.70, no,
Yeah. Then invalid.
it is invalid. See,
Yeah.
2.70, if it breaks, then it is making a lower high.
Right.
So it
Right.
doesn't make any sense for me. But it made an inside candle, and inside candle
Mhm.
means low volatile. Low volatile means there is it वो tsunami से पहले का सन्नाटा है.
ठीक है.
It is going to either break out on the upside or it is going to break out on the downside. This day it was clear that it is going up. See, even the last
Right.
traded price is 4.9, which was above this level.
Right. So makes sense. Yeah.
Okay, next day, see, 5:30 it is opening.
Hmm.
It is opening at 5:30. Take a position at 5:15. Okay, your stop loss is somewhere closer to this low. Okay, and from 5:15, just wait for the target, though the target happened immediately. Okay, and
Right.
on the chart also, I will show you since we are discussing ITC. This was the breakout day, na? 23 July, correct? 23rd of July, the breakout happened, right? Or 19th of July, the breakout happened.
23rd.
23rd, the breakout happened. Right?
Yes.
So now, let's see. Okay, so this is the breakout day. This is the high, right? This place is the high. See, this day it tried going to this level on 24th, couldn't cross through. Whereas on 26th, do you see that it is also closing up, right?
Yes.
Because see, this was also the significant level. Okay. See, look at this. All right. Now, this is the day it is opening up, correct? So you can make a position here. There's no problem.
Okay. Sir.
ठीक है. Actually, आपको करना क्या होता है कि whenever एक डिलीवरी ब्रेकआउट होता है ना, ठीक है, and I'll tell you the reason why I'm saying this, because see, when this happened there was also a gap. ठीक है, ये छोटी छोटी टेक्निकल चीजें हैं, you should keep in mind. See, there was a gap, right? What do we know about gaps? That gaps generally get filled. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So इसके अगले दिन पे it was expected कि the price will come down. See, people shorted here. Do you see this? People shorted, and you know the shorts were getting built, and people were expecting कि okay यार it will come down. It will go towards this area. Okay, because of this gap situation I'm talking about. Okay, now since there was a gap over here, okay, it didn't fill the gap. Next day also, see, it's not filling the gap. This day, is it opening above this highest point? So it is extremely bullish, correct? It is extremely bullish. See, so you made the position here, and then maybe, okay, we were fortunate it happened on a single day, but maybe 2-3 days it should give us at the target. Okay, more or less in Gale also you see the similar thing happening. Okay, there is no gap, so that is why I said that okay, there is no problem if you have built the position today, because it's in continuation breakout. But if there was a gap, I would have rather wanted to wait for a day and see it's not going towards the gap, because with high volatile stocks we have seen that not 100% of them will continue. No, some of them will retrace. It could have retraced, come to this 20th, come to this level, this area, and then reverts back. Okay, somewhere in between this zone, it might come to this zone and then move upside. Right? This is what we have traditionally seen. ठीक है? Clear है? And in ITC, the level was, I guess, 200. How much was it? 80. 88, I guess. 88, 89 levels. The upper zone is at 208, almost at 289 kind of a level. You see, today it closed outside for the first time. Okay. Now, if it breaks out, now say if I open ITC and check that where is the biggest buildup is happening. Okay, so ITC. You see, this is the area. Which level is this? 320. So now people are expecting that it will go to 320 levels. Okay. Now let's see. If you look at 320 levels, Okay, 320 levels का जो high है, that is 280, right? If on Monday it breaks out 280, it might very well travel to 320 also. Okay, so it might continue. It may continue with the move. ठीक है? Your question is on Wipro, right? Two people are absent today. Who are those? One is Hari. Manoj. Okay. Okay. So Wipro. So Wipro 30.
So, sir, ITC I did a wrong trade, right? By coming out.
Huh? ITC?
I did a wrong trade by coming out. I should have ideally trailed my stop loss.
It's okay, but take 100%. Don't worry. Okay, and if when you will, how many lots did you trade?
So only one lot, 310.
One lot, no. So see, now you have just started. Okay. Now going forward another 2-3 months, you will start trading in about say 4 lots, 5 lot, 10 lots. Okay. So when you will start doing that, half of the lots cover at 100% and remaining trail stop loss. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Now, where were we? Okay. Wipro, where is the significant this thing? May 48.51. So 264.5 to 58 and June 48. So 48 seems to be the highest, which is 268.75 and 265. So 269 apply and 258 apply. Let's see. So it went down. Okay, so let's see July. So July it was here, came to this level, broke out. Actually, the trade was somewhere here in Wipro. This was the first day it closed outside 710, 10th of July. Okay, roughly this level is 272, so 280. So I'm just assuming, okay, that this was the level to trade. I'm just assuming, okay. So on this day it was 565, okay. Level got taken out, okay. So let me consider it to be 6 rupees. So 12 rupees. So you exit here. Got it? Abir, clear?
So along with the volume breakouts, we can also check the price breakouts.
Yeah. Okay, see, what you did is you have drawn these significant areas. Now, if it is going outside this area, okay, there is something which has happened, correct? Now, the price might come, take support here and there, but eventually the price is bullish. And if on the derivative, see, on this day, see, typical things. Is the price gapping up? Yes or no? Price gap up, right? It's telling you that there is bullishness. Okay. See, on this day when the price gapped up, so somewhere over here, did the price break out on the upside? See, it broke out on the upside and it went bullish. Okay. Another thing, see, this was the day when it closed outside this level, above this breakout day, right? That is what it seems to be, because this day it is down and this is the first day it closed above this level on 12th. Okay, so right, so see, 565 is the level. It closed outside. 565 is to be bought. Okay, and you can trail your stop loss, do whatever you want to do. Okay, so 12 rupees is what you can get. But more or less, if you will follow this method, because this is a price breakout, as you said. Okay, so it is telling you that the price has moved out of the significant level. There could be, now the next day can happen that it reverses back and starts coming down. If that happens, then most likely it will break this level. It will go bearish. Maybe it will break this level and might give you that 100% return on capital on the downside. Okay. Clear?
So in this case, like Wipro filled the gap as well, right? On that, on the next day.
It filled the gap.
So we should, if in an options trade, right, we should still wait to low. If low needs to be broken to get the exit, right? If low is still intact, we can still hold on the position.
If the low is
In
intact, you
options.
can hold on to the position, because see, what has happened is once the price comes here, no, the volatility of implied volatility has started to increase.
Yes.
Okay, within this zone, the implied volatility of call and puts both are low.
Yeah.
This day is the first day when the implied volatility has increased, technically. Okay, now if the implied volatility has increased and it has to further increase, okay, it will not let the low to be compromised, because for breaking a low, the volatility will have to increase on the opposite side, which can happen here. So for that, it will first have to come inside. Okay. So as long as on the price charts you see that the price is still maintained here, that will also tell you that okay, there is no much of problem. Okay. So this is what you call is price breakout. Now uh,
Maruti had a volume breakout yesterday and it's bearish. So if you can check once Maruti. And since auto is to be in focus this week. So
okay, so this is Maruti, and you're saying 26th there was a breakout, right? There is supply, because see the volume is reducing and still the price is falling, right? See, the volume has reduced and the price is still trying to go down, so it is definitely bearish. Short term, let's see. So 8 lakhs, 872. So 872. So this thing is 8524.8 and 8255, and then the month of June 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs seems to be the highest, so it is 8848 and 8590. Okay. So 8255. 8255 and 8848. Okay. All right. Now, in case of Maruti, it is still in a bull zone. Okay. Now, this is in a bull zone right now. Let me look at the report. Most likely, this will be the highest volume. Okay. Now, when this will be the highest volume, the high lows would be 9831.7 and 9361 point whatever 0. Okay, and for the month of June, it was this figure which is 88 whatever. Okay, so in this case the highs and lows will shift. Okay, and most likely the highs and lows will be as follows. So this high will become 98.32 maybe, and this low will become 93.61. Oh, sorry, not 93. 85.90 will be the level. 85.90. Okay. The moment we will get into Wednesday, this is what will be applicable. What do you see? Is it sideways or what? But after 1st of August, okay? Abir?
Yes, sir.
Seems,
Sideways.
it seems to be sideways, right? So not to be traded. Not to be traded right now. Either the price will break out and go back, or the price will fall through this level. Okay, you
Right.
will have to wait for that. Or what will happen is, within sideways, what will happen is that most likely June's highest volume is going to be this one. Okay, what will happen is that there would be a volume breakout which will be higher than 12 lakhs. The price might be still within this zone, still within this upper and the lower band, still in between this and this. Okay, so say for example, in that case, I'm just making an assumption that the price comes here. The high low of that day is here. Then you will wait and see, is the price closing here? If the price is closing here on the next day and the volatility is increasing on the downside, which means that the put price is increasing. Okay, you will trade this level, which is roughly 8600. Is it clear? The moment the price will hit 8600, whatever is the call price, you will just put price, you will just exit. Guys, can you hear me? Okay. Okay. So whatever is the price, you will just exit. Now it might also happen that ठीक यहीं से it might start going up and it closes outside this and it continues with the bull run. That can also happen. Okay. So I would say in Maruti there is no trade. ठीक है, Abir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another thing is that, let's see. This is 12 lakhs, right? This is 12 lakhs and this is 10 lakhs. Okay. Now, the volatility has increased on the downside. Do you see it has closed below this level? Okay. So whatever I was saying, because it slipped off my mind, whatever I was saying, that might also happen in Maruti. Okay, because it has closed bearish and the volume is more than 10 lakhs, 10, 11 lakhs. So it's a breakout over here. So it might straight away go to this level of whatever was the previous one, which is 82.55. So there could be a sell-off on Monday and Tuesday. 82.55. There might be a sell-off. So let's see. Okay. But eventually it is too close right now. So let's see. Because if you look at the zone, the price is still above 50% of its retracement. Okay. So you never know if it just reverses back, because you are trying to trade the zones.
Only thing, sir, it had good Y build up in the put side yesterday, so was the
Yeah, definitely
bearish.
people are short, so no this thing. But it seems from the structure, no, it seems that it is still trading at more than 50% of its actual range. That is why I'm saying. Okay. So don't trade it in options. You can trade in cash market. Okay. Option trades are most lucrative outside the ranges. All right. Any other question?
I had a question here, like I was bullish on Nifty today because it had a breakout as per the compression data we prepared. So I was like buying a call in Nifty. So I thought of buying a call in Maruti to hedge. Is that a right approach?
No, you trade Maruti and hedge by market. You
Okay,
don't do the other way around.
okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so say for example, if you are buying say puts in Maruti, then you can hedge by buying calls in Nifty.
For me, Nifty was bullish and Maruti was bearish, as per my understanding. So I did
Which is
that.
okay, but the stock that you are trading, the hedging will be in index. It is the other way around. So your primary trade would be stock and the hedging would be index.
Right, sir. Got it. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay, because index is average value. Weighted average, no? Okay. So any other question, guys? All right. So please continue with this. Do you find it interesting?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, इसमें
Sir,
बहुत ज़्यादा steering
entries in
वगैरह नहीं
future,
करना पड़ता है.
entry in futures will be different, right? It won't be.
एंट्री इन फ्यूचर्स मैं अभी आपको पढ़ाऊंगा, वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. उसमें दो चीज को हमें करना होगा, वॉल्यूम एंड डिलीवरी.
Okay, okay, sir.
क्योंकि वो रिस्की है ना इंट्राडे में.
चार्ट सिर्फ राइट, चार्ट कैश के देखेंगे मतलब, या उसमें भी द ट्रेंडिंग नो फ्यूचर चार्ट, राइट, फॉर ट्रेंडिंग जोन्स एंड
फ्यूचर चार्ट कुछ होता ही नहीं है. मतलब फ्यूचर का चार्ट चार्ट के लिए होता है बस. मतलब
ठीक है,
फ्यूचर के चार्ट को देख के आप कभी डिसीजन नहीं बना सकते.
ओके,
देखना कैश मार्केट का ही चार्ट है जो देखो. इट इज लाइक कि जो फ्यूचर्स होता है ना, मतलब जैसे आम है, इस समय मार्केट में आम चल रहे हैं ना, ठीक है, तो एक है कि आप आम को खरीद रहे हो, तो वो है कैश मार्केट, और दूसरा है कि आप कॉन्ट्रैक्ट खरीद रहे हो, कि मान लो आपने एक आम खरीद लिया है या एक पेटी आम का खरीद लिया है, मान लो, ठीक है, तो वो जो
राइट,
मान लो होता है वो होता है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट।
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है, तो रियल आम खरीदना जो होता है वो होता है कैश मार्केट। तो हम हमेशा प्राइस मूवमेंट ट्रैक करेंगे कैश मार्केट का, और उससे हम फ्यूचर्स को ट्रेड करेंगे।
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है ना, क्योंकि अगर कैश मार्केट का प्राइस गिर रहा है तो ऐसा हो नहीं सकता ना फ्यूचर्स का चढ़ जाएगा।
राइट।
ठीक है, तो वहां पे डिस्काउंट आने लगेंगे, तो वो सब चीज अभी हम सीखेंगे, वो अगले महीने करेंगे। पहले इसको थोड़ा
ठीक है
अच्छे से वो
या
कर लेंगे हम, और एक बार ये पूरा साइकिल निकल जाएगा ना हमारे हाथ से, फिर क्या है कि एटलीस्ट आपको इतना रहेगा कि मान लो अगर 50,000 या 20,000 का कैपिटल है, तो हाना करके महीने का 40-50 हजार रुपए तो आ रहा है ना यहाँ से, है ना। मतलब अगर एक लॉट में
यस
कर रहे हो, मान लो, ठीक है, एक लॉट में काम कर रहे हो और ऑप्शंस में कर रहे हो, तो कोई भी ऑप्शन का ट्रेड एक लॉट का जो है वो 10,000 रुपए से 20,000 रुपए के बीच का ही होता है, या उससे भी कम का होता है ना। तो आप, हो सकता है कि अगर आप मान के चल रहे हो कि अभी 20,000 से ही काम करना है, तो 20,000 भी करके आप बहाना करके आपको महीने का बुरे से बुरे हालात में भी 40,000 रुपए तो एक इनकम दे ही जाएगा ना। फिर धीरे धीरे करके बिजनेस को बढ़ाओगे तो यही 40,000 जो है वो 4 लाख रुपया हो जाएगा। इतना तो सैलरी भी नहीं मिलता है। मतलब मैंने जब आखिरी बार छोड़ा था तो मेरा तनख्वाह उस समय शायद 3 लाख का कुछ था, शायद 3-3.5 लाख रुपया था। ठीक है, आज मेरे को लगता है कि अच्छा हुआ छोड़ दिया उस समय क्योंकि 3 लाख का कितना हो जाता, 4-4.5 लाख हो जाता, इससे ज्यादा क्या हो जाता, है ना। तो थोड़ा
ठीक।
समय लगता है पर धीरे धीरे करके हो जाएगा, डोंट वरी।
यस, थैंक यू।
All right, friends. So, any other question? All right, friends. So, फिर मंडे को मुलाकात होती है और बाकी सेक्टर्स पे भी काम कीजिए। और काजिम,
यस सर।
हाँ चलेगा नहीं, ये इंट्राडे ठीक नहीं है,
हाँ सर।
मेहनत करना है, ठीक है। तो
यस
जो,
सर, नो वेयर आई एम गोइंग ऑन सर।
हाँ वो फोकस करना है थोड़ा, ठीक है।
यस।
और इस क्लास में आना, और
यस यस।
ठीक है, जो ईमेल आएगा।
हाँ सर।
सर 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 मुझे भी ऐड कर लीजिएगा, राहुल को।
नहीं, तुम्हें जरूरत नहीं है, आई डोंट वांट टू कंफ्यूज एवरीबडी।
ओके सर, थोड़े एंजाइटी होता है, ट्रेड मिल नहीं रहा, ट्रेड मिल रहा है, एटलीस्ट बिकॉज़ आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद 4,
कोई बात नहीं
सो आई
ना,
एम
ना
एबल टू
मिलेगा
फाइंड
तो।
इट।
अरे
ठीक।
ट्रेड मिलेगा, डोंट वरी। ट्रेड
ओके।
कहाँ चला गया अभी? आज अगर ट्रेड नहीं होता तो 1 घंटा लग जाता हमें 3-4 स्टॉक्स को बात करते में, है ना।
ठीक।
ट्रेड्स
यस
है,
सर, ठीक।
डोंट वरी कि ट्रेड्स नहीं है।
ओके ओके
महीने में हाना
ओके सर।
करके भी, जो अभी हम सीख रहे हैं ना, इसमें हाना करके भी 10 ट्रेड्स हैं महीने का
यस
मिनिमम।
क्लियर।
और 10 ट्रेड्स का मतलब आप समझ सकते हो कितना % रिटर्न।
ओके
ठीक है, तो
ठीक है
डोंट
सर,
कंफ्यूज योरसेल्फ, इसीलिए मैं मना कर रहा हूँ आपको। यू
ठीक है
डोंट हैव
ठीक
टू
है सर, good.
कम, डोंट कम।
ओके थैंक यू। ओके
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
हाँ जी,
सर एनी असाइनमेंट्स और एनीथिंग फॉर मी सर?
हाँ देना तो पड़ेगा, उसी में दूंगा मैं, क्लास में ही दूंगा।
ओके ओके फाइन, थैंक यू।
ठीक, चलो फिर मंडे को मुलाकात होती है। ओके, बाय बाय।
Sir, one small request,
हाँ हाँ,
sir.
बोलो बोलो।
Sir, I had sent you an approach document for the delivery volume breakout. If you can just validate, because I have a couple of points where I am a bit confused.
Approach document, have you emailed?
Yeah, long back, sir. Yes.
Okay, I would have not seen it. Okay, I will download it and
As per my understanding, so if you can validate, that will help you.
okay, is it a very big document or something?
Very small document, sir.
Okay, fine.
7-8 points.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
I'll go
Thank you.
through it.
Yeah.
Done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, bye bye. Bye. Same to you, Danu. Bye bye.
थैंक यू।
Good night.